years. What do you think? You're going to sit here tonight and reinvent the wheel? Please.
We can. Great. Well, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but let's not try to reinvent the wheel, okay? Yeah.
Reinventing the wheel means wasting time trying to create something that already exists.
I think Ron's lost his mind. But I'll drink the Kool-Aid.
So this is where I drink the Kool-Aid, right? Go to this little island and then die.
Drink the Kool-Aid means to blindly follow or believe in something without question.
But you're barking up the wrong tree.
At least I'm not barking up the wrong tree.
You know, you're barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree means pursuing the wrong course of action or looking in the wrong place.
This campaign is costing us an arm and a leg.
You know, even if that were true, that would have cost him an arm and a leg.
An arm and a leg means very expensive.
Can't cry over spilt milk.
Cry over spilled milk means to regret something that has already happened.